Hey, what's up, XRP holder? So what's going on, my millionaire brother? Today video is going very special for XRP because I have also one good news and surprising for XRP holder. Yes, this is surprising video. This is live price production video. Please don't skip any second of this video because it's very important, very important. Let's get started the price prediction. But before I get started this video, I request you, if you are new on our channel, then most welcome, and please subscribe our YouTube channel if you need this type more informative videos. So this time, guys, if you can see here, the chat occur and negative. This is very bad result, but I hope in the last 24-hour result is very good. They got up like a rocket. Therefore I decide to make a special urgent video price prediction for my friends to what's going on, what you do, please. So this is very important to sell, buy, hold. Okay, this time you can see here they check a good minus 0.08% going down, very badly down. I can't believe this. They're starting dumping. But I hope in upcoming days they're going up like a rocket. You can see here, if they take this type jump, then I hope they go up. Let's check out to what's going on in the last 24-hour result, because the last 24-hour result is going very important from everyone. You can see here, note these changes, please. These changes is going very important. Guys, I hope I tell you just in a few days, before a few days, I tell you in my previous videos, today can hit $2 just in this week. Absolutely, they can hit it. You can see here, $1.95. Some holders tell me today this is impossible, cannot hit it at the end of this video also. But I challenge you today, hit $2 just in a few days, just and tomorrow or today. This they can easily hit it. You can see here, of the chant this type agar, then absolutely they can hit it. Okay, so my friend, you can see here, they take a small dump and they take a very high jump. I hope they take a high jump. They jump and they're going off like a rocket, and the future is in mode. So let's see to what's going on. Let's check out the last 7-day result to what's going on in the last 7-day result. If you can see here, in the last 7-day result, they're totally going up, and the price is absolutely in a previous days and increase. So this is good news for every XRP holder. XRP holder, you can see here, this time they are going up like a rocket, totally going up, straightly going up. No dump, no big dump. They're going up like a rocket. So congratulations, my XRP holder. Please, for live streaming, subscribe our YouTube channel. We are a price extending live streaming also do. So please subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon for latest news and updates. Hope you understand. To this is selling or buying time. Please, if you have any plan to buy more, then exactly this is good time to you buy it. And if you have no plan to buy, then please hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit. Please hold it. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.